Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 210. A triangle has a height of 2x and a base of x plus 5. Given the area is 24 square inches, 5x in inches. So right here we have a triangle, and then the base b is equal to x plus 5, and then we have the height that equal 2x. So we need to know the area of triangle. Formula is 1/2 base times height. Now the given the height is 2x, the base is x plus 5, and the shape is triangle, and then the area is 24 square inches, and then they asking for x. So making sure we know our question is what is x. So we have given the area is 24 equal 1/2 times the base is x plus 5 times the height is 2x. Now we have 2 right here and here. We cancel it. So we left with 24 equal x times x plus 5. You may ask, where's my number 1? It's because 1 multiplied with anything is that thing, so we don't care about that. We have left with x and x plus 5, and this is the multiplications. Okay, so 24 equal x times x is x squared, x times 5 is 5x. So now we will subtract 24 both sides so that we can have one side is 0. So this one become x squared plus 5x minus 24, that equals 0. And this is the quadratic equations general form with a x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So our a is 1. Okay, b is 5, c is negative 24. We will set up the AC method here. Two numbers multiplied together equal a times c, which is 1 times negative 24 is negative 24. Now we have the same number, but we add them up. That will be b is 5 in this case. Now for negative 24, it will be one factors will be negative. Okay, one number will be negative and another number have to be positive. So we have a pair of 24 and 1. Negative 24 and 1, or 24 and negative 1, as we know. They can also produce negative 24. We may have negative 12 times 2, negative 8 times 3, or negative 6 times 4. Or we can have another way that 12 right here times negative 2. Then we may have 8, positive 8 times negative 3. We can have also 6 times negative 4. So whatever pair, when you add them up, gives you 5. That will be the one we try to look for. So a and negative 3. A minus 3 is 5. So a right here times negative 3, that is negative 24. Then we have a at negative 3, that is phi. Okay, because a equal 1 right here, the coefficients of x squared a equal 1, then we just kind of making the factors of x at 8, where a coming from here, right? And then x minus 3, that equals 0. Now we have the zero factor theorems. We can apply it here. A times b equals 0. Then a will be equal 0 or b equals 0. So I have my two factors, x plus a, that will be equal 0, or I will have x minus 3 equals 0. Now I solve for it. I add 8 both sides. Okay, so I have my x. Oh, hold on. I subtract a both sides. Yeah. I will subtract a both sides because you want to get rid of this. Okay. So we have x equal negative 8, and one more time, when you do the measurements, when it represent x is represent a length, it cannot be negative. We can check right here because x here is maybe okay, so it distributes to this. So if x equal 8, negative 8, okay, x equal negative 8, your h, the height will be 2 times negative 8, that will be negative 16. You cannot have negative 16 inches for measurement of something. The measurement of something cannot be negative, okay? So that means it cannot be this. Or if you plug in here, you have negative a at phi, that is negative 3. It cannot be, okay? Now we try with the second one. We have at 3 both sides, so that we cancel this, and then we have x equal 3. Perfect. So x equal 3, if they're asking for h, you will have 2 times 3, okay, when x equal 3, that is 6 inches. So the base will be x is 3, and then at phi, 3 at phi, that is 8. If they're asking for those variable, okay? If they're not, so just answer what they ask. So they're asking for x, so the x value is 3 inches. So C is the correct answer. So be careful when you're solving for x, okay? Making sure the algebra step, the calculation between step have to be right so that you don't make a mistake like me. Another one is always remember when something is measured or it's talking about the length, it's never negative. It's always have a value, positive value. It can be 0 because it's nothing. If it's 0, it's nothing. So basically it will be positive numbers greater than 0. Thank you for participating in this series, and see you next time.